Uncle Ben.
That is your present from Aunt Sarah and Uncle Ben. Open it up.
Okay.
Go, Brooke, go.
What is it?
Okay.
Oh, is it a coloring book? What is it, Brooke?
Let's see what's in there. Let's look at what's inside.
Oh, it has crayons?
There we go, Sweet Pea.
Oh.
Now let's see what kind of animals are inside. Oh, what is this?
A turtle, but there's still crayons.
Oh, of course. There we go. What kind of animals are inside here, Brooke? Let's take a look. What do we see? Good job.
12.
Are those stars, Brooke? Stars, very
What is that?
pretty.
Hippo.
Hippo, that's right. Got stickers too, they go with it. James, look at the animals on there.
What it?
Okay.
That is beautiful. Brooke,
What
you have
was that?
one more present over here.
Where is this, Sweet Pea? Do you want to check out this one?
Mm-hmm.
What does the card say? It's from Uncle Ben and Aunt Sarah.
Oh, Brooke, what is that?
That's beautiful. Is that a hat? And gloves? Here you go. You want to put the hat on?
No.
Not right now? Okay. Look how pretty
How pretty that is.
Gloves that match.
Oh, purple
This
gloves
winter
for
when it's
winter
cold, we can wear
time.
those.
Thank you, Aunt Sarah and
Thank
Uncle
you.
Ben. Brooke, can you say thank you, Aunt Sarah? We're going to send them this picture. Say thank you, Aunt Sarah.
Thank you, Aunt Sarah.
Yeah. That's right. Blow kisses.